Alright, this is about the least fun I've had in a while working on stuff. See how black that is? You can see where I cleaned it. Okay, where I scrubbed it. And I've been scrubbing on this. Look how black that is, how thick it is. Oh, it's nasty. Nasty, nasty. Tree sap. I got some of it on half of it, but nowhere near nice. That antenna was pitch black. That's clean. And it still looks pretty bad. Oh well. Elbow grease. I might have to use a pressure washer. We'll see. I've scrubbed 4 times in one area to get it partly cleaned. Just that little piece right there. 4 times. A lot of work to do. I think I'm going to go with power washer. Okay, about an hour of work just on that corner on the top. But it's pretty clean up there. So, yeah. A lot of work. I need a break. Well, it's getting there. Takes a long time. Look how bad that is. I mean, even the windows. One done, one not. A lot of work. Well, it's getting done. A little bit at a time. Work, work, work. Well, I got the front and front corner done. Front corner of the roof. Long way to go. That's about 3 hours worth of work right there. Believe it or not. It sure does look a little shinier. Look at that roof. Noticeable, to say the least. Alright, keep on working. Well, I got the top done. At least it's clean. The front and a little bit of the side. That's all I'm doing for today. Okay, top's cleaned, done, painted. The entire section. Now this was leaking, so I put some ice and water shield down. You can look that up. That's for roofing. And it is sticky stuff. And then sealed over top of that. That's not going to leak. Ever. So, there you go. Everything's done. Nice and clean. Now, still got to finish this. I'm working on it. Give me a minute.